Hello everyone. Let's learn how to create this kind of neon glow text effect in Photoshop. So, first, open any background image in Photoshop. Now select the text tool and write your text. Adjust the scale of the text as required. Now, right-click on the text layer and choose Blending Options. Here apply stroke and follow my settings. Keep size between 3 to 5. Position as center. Choose blend mode as normal. Keep opacity at 100%. The fill type should be color. In this color picker, choose any color of your choice. Now, select the outer glow option and follow my settings. Choose blend mode as scree. Keep opacity at 100%. Noise should be 0. Choose a technique as precise. Keep spread between 25 to 30%. The size should be between 120 to 130. Keep the range at 90% and jitter at 0%. Now choose the drop shadow option. Here choose your color same as the stroke color in this color picker. Keep opacity between 60 and 65%. Distance should be 20 pixels. Keep the spread between 15 to 20%. Size should be between 85 to 90%. Keep noise at 0. Now hit OK. We are done here. Let's see the final result. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.